Hello again, welcome to another video. So back in the retro cabin on the ZX Spectrum Plus, and I've just popped in Shadow Warriors or Ninja Gaiden. Shadow Warriors in the UK because didn't like the, I don't know, didn't like the word ninja, did they? So yeah, it's that, and obviously it's loaded up in the Spectrum there, and I've got still got the baggie, the ocean baggie look, and the instructions. That's pretty cool, and the box is in really nice, little bit of wear, but not too bad. So I've got the game loaded up. And I thought we'd just have a quick blast on it to see what it's like, because this is the arcade version of Ninja Gaiden, which is the if you play the one on the Atari Lynx, it's that version. So let's find out what fire is. Got to find out what the keys are. Let's put the volume up. Okay, so I've got left and right. Oh, I've got up and down. What's fight? Oh, you got to punch in the direction. Press in the direction to fight. Okay. Okay. Nice big sprites. Someone else there, see. Got him. Oh, once you get hit, you can't get away from him. Alright, okay. Now, I don't think you can... I wonder what a jump is then. Ah, the jump is... You've got to press up and attack. What did I hit then? Oh, I'm not getting out of that, am I? All doing pretty well there. Got a nice graphics for the speccy. Oh. I tell you, it's tough. I got further on the Lynx one. Let's get away from him, and then once they surround you, you've got no chance. Oh. Put the volume up a little bit more. Oh. Oh, he's got me. Now, as soon as they got one hit in, that's it. Oh. Let's see if we can leg it. Okay, I've got this now. Jump. Let's just leg it. Oh no, got to go down. Down, jump. Let's leg it. Oh. Right, use one of me continues. Right, so can't go past this brick wall, so I've got to go down. You've got to hang on that, haven't you? How do you hang on it? Because in the Lynx one, it's pretty easy to do. Let's kill all these bad guys first. Oh, it's got me. So it's really nice graphics though. Jesus, not very good at this, am I? At least, oh no. Right, I saw the... Right, so you've got to... Right, because on the Lynx one, what you can do is you can hang down and go underneath as well. So on this one, you've got to beat all the enemies to progress. All right, at least I know now. Oh, got me. Let's use all the continues. Let's see how far we can get. Who's that? Looks like me. I reckon that's a glitch there, that guy. Oh no, it's not. Oh yeah. On the boss. What the hell is that? So that's not fair. He flashes. So don't get hit. Yeah, so there's different versions of Ninja Gaiden or Shadow Warriors. You got the NES version, which I really do like, but this is based on the arcade version. This is a totally different version. So we get to the next level. Oh, it's got me. Yeah. Use a lot of continues though. Oh, you got to press play on this. Oh no, I thought you had to load the level then. Right. Oh, there's cars on this one. Jesus. It's like it's hard to see which way to. There we go. Oh, why can't I get him? Oh, it's got me again. I reckon once I kill these two, just once you get hit, you can't get away from them. You can't shake them. Oh. I'm hitting him, but nothing's happening. Well, you've got to get a bit close on him. Yeah. You literally got to be right on him to get him. Oh, I thought I made it then. Oh, I've got one continue left. Let's get across this road. I say the scroll's pretty nice, isn't it? Oh, I thought I was on a roll then. Oh my god, motorbikes. It's a bit of slow down now because the motorbikes are slowing it down. Oh. Well, I think I'm going to leave it there. So let me reset it. Nice little button on the side here to reset the spectrum. Yeah, so that's Shadow Warriors. Shadow Warriors for the ZX Spectrum, which is the arcade. It's an arcade port because the arcade was different than the NES version, which a lot of people are familiar with the NES version. Yeah, I prefer the arcade game. Really cool, but I've got a lot of fondness for the NES one as well. But yeah, really good port on the ZX Spectrum. Big sprites, colourful. Plays well, bit hard. Obviously, when you get hit, you can't shake them. But yeah, so all in all, I think it's a really good game. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next one. See you later.